Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how to CMD prompt for ipconfig and changing the DNS server to public DNS. First, press Window, type CMD, and run it as administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig or ipconfig all for all details about the network interface. And here's my Wi-Fi adapter with all network settings. Now let's change IP address and DNS settings. Type netsh command and press enter. Now type interface IP show config. Next, type interface IP set address name equal and copy the name of network interface you want to set up. Static, type a new IP address, in my case 192.168.1.50, network mask and gateway. If you want to manually set the DNS server, type interface IP set DNS, your network interface, static, my DNS is 192.168.1.1. Finally, type interface IP show config. Okay, as you can see, IP address has changed and I also assigned DNS server. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.